Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create animation in Canva. Yes guys, you can create animation video in Canva. For that, first we need to click on video. So first log in into Canva and then on the home page itself, you are going to get an option called video. So click on it and a new blank canvas window will open. So guys, now let's see how we can create an animation. So we'll create an animation of ball moving around. So for that, we'll click on elements. Then we have to select an option of the circle. So you are going to get it under these shapes over here. So click on see all and then you are going to get this circle option. So click on it. Now, basically, you will have to change the shape of it. So just reduce the shape and bring it down. So let's place it over here. Now we need to basically create and add basically more slides. So let's click on add page, add page, add page, add page, add page, and add page. Now again click on this particular first slide. Also let's animate one more object. For that let's create an object like an rocket. Okay. So we'll use this arrow icon. So I'll use this arrow icon and basically I'll reduce the size of it and we'll also change the color of it. I'll select the color as this orange. Okay, and we'll place it down over here. Okay, suppose this is a rocket. Okay, and we need to move this upward and we need to move this ball in the right direction. So this way from left to right, and we'll move this rocket from bottom to top. So let's see how we can do that. So first, what we'll do is that we will select the circle. Okay, we'll click right click and we'll say copy. Now click on the second slide. So basically first what we'll do, we'll select both the elements. Okay. Now say copy and now select the second slide and click on paste. Now we need to move the elements little bit. So now let's shift the ball to right side little bit. Now let's move the rocket little bit up. So let's move it over here. Okay. Now again copy both the elements. Then say copy and paste it on the third slide. Okay. This is how you do. Now move the ball again ahead. Okay, and then again move this rocket on top. Now again copy both the elements. Okay, and paste it on the fourth slide. Now select the ball element and again move it ahead and move this rocket on top. Now same process you need to follow again till the end of this slide. Okay, same process we'll do. We'll move this on top. Now again we'll copy and we'll paste it on the next slide. So till the ball reaches the end, we need to do this. And we'll again move it on top. Okay. So if you see, the rocket has been reached on top. Now again we'll say copy and we'll paste it over here at the end. So let's copy again. Elements were not copied. So let's copy and paste. Okay, what we'll do is that we'll move this object out. So let's delete this object and we'll move this ball ahead. Okay, and we'll add one more slide so that we can move the ball to the right side again, and we'll say paste, and we'll keep it over here. Okay, now guys, at the bottom, you have the timeline of all the pages, and all the pages are having the duration as 5 seconds. So, on these slides only, press Ctrl A so that all your pages are selected. Now, on top, there is a timing option. So, click on Edit Timing and change the time to 1.0 s, that is 1 second. Now press outside and then again click on at the first slide over here and click on the play button. So there you go. So guys, the timing has not changed. So we'll do it again. So press Ctrl A, 1 second we'll do, otherwise from here. Okay, not zero point 0.5, 1 second we'll do. Let's change it to 1.0. Okay, now it is done. Okay, so let's click out. Now we'll click on the play button. So there you go guys. See, this is the beautiful looking animation. Rocket is moving up and our ball is going in the right direction. So guys, this is simple kind of animation you can use in YouTube videos also, and even in the Instagram reels or any kind of videos for your school project also. You can easily create this kind of animation using Canva. I hope guys this video was helpful to you in learning how you can use animation in Canva. So guys, that's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all notifications to my new videos. Also, please like and share this video. Thank you.